The P0123 code indicates a high input voltage in the throttle position sensor, or TPS, or accelerator pedal position sensor, APP circuit, circuit A. What does this mean? The TPS or APP tells the computer how much you are pressing the accelerator pedal. A high voltage means the computer is receiving a signal that the throttle is fully open or stuck, or that there is an electrical problem in the circuit. This is crucial because the computer uses this information to control fuel injection and ignition timing. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. You may also notice limited or no engine response to the throttle. The engine may go into limp mode or rev uncontrollably, and in some cases hard to start. If the P0123 appears, the most common cause is a faulty TPS or APP sensor. Visually inspect the sensor and its connector for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. It's also crucial to inspect the sensor wiring. A shorted wire to positive or a poor circuit connection could be the culprit. Make sure there are no physical obstructions preventing normal pedal or accelerator pedal movement. In most cases, replacing the TPS app sensor will resolve the problem. If left unattended, an inaccurate throttle position reading can lead to erratic engine control, which can cause driving hazards due to unwanted acceleration or loss of vehicle control.